So this is my site. Lot of member will be confused how to activate Google Webmaster without plugin on WordPress site. So a lot of them say as a call plugins, but without plugin we can install the WordPress using with the Google Webmaster. We can activate the Google Webmaster without plugin on where in WordPress site. So first of all, copy your website URL. Go to Google Webmaster. The option call is add a property. Add your website. Click for add. They are showing for two options. What is that? Recommended and alternate method. Click for add here. They are showing for two options. What is that? First will be recommended. Second will be alternate. What option call is? Download HTML verification file. Without plugin, I can install what is called Google Webmaster tool. Which one? Google Webmaster tool. Now click here. File will download it here. Now go to cPanel, File Manager. What option call is? Public underscore HTML. So it's opening here. So where cPanel, the option call is public underscore HTML. Here, which file? I'm already downloaded the HTML file. Just click for upload. You can upload only for one file only in this website. Select the file where we can download this file in the download folder. Select file. Download. What option call is? Google. Now click. This is my HTML file. Now click. Done. Go to website back. What is that? Reload. Now check is upload or not. Where your website? Done here. What is my code? 51F05. Second one. Now just go to Google Webmaster. I'm not a robot. Is a captcha code. Storefront. Select your options. Click for verify. So any plugin need for the add to the Google Webmaster and WordPress? No need for the plugin. We can install the fraction of second. Which one? Google Webmaster on WordPress site. Please write down steps. First, select your website. Go to Google Webmaster. Take a add property. Paste the URL on your add property. Click for add. So where I'm going to the add property, copy the box will be URL. Click for add. After that, they're showing for two options, recommended and alternate. Okay, select by recommended. The option call is download HTML file. After downloading, go to your website cPanel, where we can download desktop. They go to where? Here. This is a download file. Go to cPanel, select the file manager. The file manager option call is public underscore HTML. Go to upload. Select your file on desktop. After uploading file in your cPanel, go to Google Webmaster. Click for verify. Now will be verified done. WordPress for activation for Google Webmaster without any plugin. So if you are to know the concept, we don't know cPanel, we can use it by the plugins. That is called Google Webmaster plugin. Is it clear? This is activation for Google Webmaster on WordPress site without using any plugins.